Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. And hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's safe. And it's almost Monday, guys. Oh boy, here we go. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see what this is going to be. Ooh, this is something new. Never did one of these before. Oh, TORRAS Bladeless hanging neck fan. Whoa. Now this is something you guys need, especially now it's summertime and it's hot out and a lot of people are out walking. This would be perfect for anybody during their workouts. They could use this for. Oh, I screwed it up. And something totally different. Something definitely worth having one of these now. Oh, everything comes out. Alright. The Bladeless hanging neck fan. Yeah, buddy. During your fishing trips you could have. Whoa. This is nice. Whoa. Check out that flex. Feel like Hulk Hogan. Oh yeah. Look at that. For any neck sizes, so I mean. Yeah, definitely. Hey, they did a nice job. USB. Power. Let's see what other goodies they come inside. There's a manual. I don't think we need a manual. Should be an easy one to set up. Whoops, there it goes. Down for the count. Whoa. USB charger to charge this thing up. I want to take a look and see what the if it's waterproof or not, stuff like that. Charging at fan stops. Okay, we got that. Here's in the box. It'll probably be in the description once you click on the link. But also check them out on their social media feeds right here. You guys could read it. At TORRAS Life. Instagram, YouTube also, and Facebook. So check these guys out. We're going to see how this works. But this is a really cool idea though. Never seen one of these. Oh, I want to take this off. Whoa. I can feel it. Hear it? Whoa. Holy smokes. I'm going to turn this around. Hold on one sec. Alright guys. Hello. Let's put this around your neck. That's around your neck right here. Kind of like that. You can feel it like all the way in here. This is so cool. Definitely check them out, guys. TORRAS. We got that going. Don't mind me. It's Sunday. Time to relax a little bit. But look at that. I can feel it all the way up in this region. So if you guys are doing construction, cutting grass, stuff like that, this is totally perfect. You can close it like around your neck, make it tight, doing your jogs. But definitely worth it. So check these guys out. And it's comfortable too around your neck. So I mean, it's not heavy or anything like that. It feels actually pretty good. Lean back. And there's that. You guys see. Right there, all the way around. Gonna flip you back like so. This is awesome. This is totally a sweet gift. Let me take the mask off. If you don't know what to get to somebody this year for Christmas coming up, definitely get one of these because this is so cool. They're gonna want one for sure. Get one for yourself, for your workout partner or your trainer. They'll appreciate it so much because I mean, this is something really cool. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever seen one of these, so and it's simple. I mean, just pop this button on, boom, charge it, USB cable. You can take your portable battery chargers with you and charge it with that. So I mean, during your camping trips, you could take it in case it gets too hot. I mean, there's so many other good things this is going to be good for. And especially if you're doing a long gaming session, you want to cool down, put this around your neck. You got to feel the breeze. That is for sure. Golf, especially if you're out golfing, playing hoops. So I mean, the list is a huge list of what this could be used for. And this is perfect. Definitely approve. You guys too, check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. You guys will not be disappointed. I can feel the breeze right now. It feels so good. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.